When the earth became dry. In Genesis 8:13, we read that the flood of Noah had receded, causing the earth to become dry. In Genesis 8:14, it states once again that the earth had become dry 1 month later. Now it came about in the 601st year, in the first month, on the first of the month, the water was dried up from the earth. Then Noah removed the covering of the ark, and looked, and behold, the surface of the ground was dried up. In the second month, on the 27th day of the month, the earth was dry. To answer this supposed contradiction, looking at the original Hebrew is beneficial. In verse 13, the Hebrew word is harabu, while verse 14 uses yabashah. These words seem to have different connotations. The word used in verse 13 may be seen as if to say the water dispersed or was no longer visible, as it was dried into the ground. The word used in verse 14 may merely mean that the ground was no longer soaking, akin to a marsh or muddy surface. As Dr. Gill explains, the earth dried, so that it was fit to walk upon, and was become commodious both for man and beast. A different word from that is preceding verse is here for dry, this being a different kind or however a greater degree of dryness than the other. As another scholar writes, the three Hebrew words employed to depict the gradual cessation of flood express a regular gradation. The word rendered dried at the end of the verse, that is verse 14, is different from the translated dried up and dry in Genesis 8:13, and marks a further stage in the process.